This is a screencast on how to calculate the magnitude and centre of enlargement. So in front of you here you have a problem. It says write the coordinates of the vertices of the dilation, which is a fancy way of saying enlargement, with a scale factor of 3, centred at the origin. So let's unpack what some of these things mean. Firstly, the word vertices, that means corners. Dilation, that means enlargement. Scale factor of 3, which is going to be important, and it's around the origin, which is here. So scale factor of 3 is important. So if we take, how we do this is, the first thing is, let's take one of the vertices. Let's take F here. So F is currently at 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 3. Now if it's got a scale factor of 3, that means it's being increased in size by 3. So that will actually, on this coordinate here, all we simply do is we multiply the coordinates by 3. So then it becomes still 0, but it becomes 9 instead, because that there has been multiplied by 3. 0 times 3 is 0. That's why that one's not, the number has not changed. If we do E, same thing. We go, what's the current coordinate? The current coordinate is 1, 2, 3, and 1. So that, if we multiply those two digits by 3, we get 9, 3. Then if we do D, D is going to, at the moment, is at 0, negative 3, that then becomes 0, negative 9. And G, the last of the vertices to calculate, is currently at negative 3, 1. So this is going to now become negative 9, 3. And then you could actually plot those if you wish to find out what this, it would look something like that. We could do that a bit more accurate if we had more time. Let's try another one. On this one though, it's slightly different in the fact that our scale factor is only a third, and it's centered on the origin, this part here. So again, we go through the same thing. We're looking to see the vertices, the corners, and dilation, which is a fancy way of saying enlargement. So let's determine what the current coordinates are. So if you look at U is currently at 999. V is currently at 96. T is currently at 3, negative 3. And S is currently at 3, negative 9. So what then happens is rather than we multiply it by a third, which is 0.33, or an easier way of doing that is dividing it by these numbers by 3. So 9 and 9, U would actually move to 3, 3. V would move to 3, 2. T would move to 1, negative 1. And 3 and negative 9, S here would move to 1, negative 3. So it would be a much smaller shape than it currently is, be reduced.